In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 9th subject maths, linear equations and inequalities. That is the chapter number 7. And today we will start here exercise 7.1. But before starting this lecture, first of all subscribe my channel, like videos, share videos and also click on bell icon so that you have to get updates about my new videos. आप बेल के आइकन पे क्लिक करें और वहाँ पे आपने ऑल के ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करना है ताकि आपको मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो के बारे में अपडेट्स मिल सकें. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी स्टार्ट हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस इट्स टॉपिक लीनियर इक्वेशन. Okay, let's see. First part is 2 by 3x minus 1 by 2x equals to x plus 1 by 6. Linear means the variable having power equals to 1. The variable having exponents or power equals to 1. That is known as linear. So, here variable x is used here. So, x having power 1. For example, x raised to power 1, y raised to power 1 equals to 6. Both variables having power equals to 1, so that is known as linear equation. And sign of equal is used here, so that is known as equations. So this question is very important as the point of view of board exams for long questions. So understand this question carefully. So this is the fraction. So there are two methods to solve. First of all, you have to take LCM, and second method is you have to multiply by LCM. Take LCM and then after that you have to multiply each term by LCM. So I think second method is easy for you. So first of all, you have to take LCM 3, 2, 6. These are denominators, so you have to take the LCM of these denominators. So 3, 2, 6. So 2, 3 as it is, 2, 1 the 2, 2, 3 the 6. Now 3 is used here, 3, 1 the 3, 3, 1 the 3. So LCM here, 2 multiplied by 3. So LCM will be here 6. The LCM of this fractions or question is 6. So you have to multiply by 6. You can write here multiply by 6 to whole equation. We get, so 6 multiplied by 2 by 3 x, 6 multiplied by 1 by 2x, 6 multiplied by x and 1 by 6 multiplied by 6. 6 cancel with 6. 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. So you have to get 2 into 2x, bracket means multiply. 3x equals to 6x plus 1. So open the bracket, 2 to the 4x minus 3x equals to 6x plus 1. So 4 minus 3 equals to x. So you have to combine x values at one place, variable x combine at that place. So 6x shift here, it become minus. So minus 5x equals to 1. Basically you are going to find the value of x. So minus 5 is multiplying here, shift on other side, then it become denominator. So denominator having negative sign, so you can write like this, minus 1 by 5. That is the value of x. But now this is the long question. So after checking you come to know that that is the answer or not. So give heading here, check. How you can check? You have to put the value of value of x in original equation. Original equation means question. So let's see. So put x equals to minus 1 by 5 in original equation. You can named as equation 1. That is original equation in equation 1. So you have to get, so you have to put here 2 by 3 into 1 by minus 1 by 5 bracket minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 5 bracket equals to minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6. So fraction multiply by fraction. How? Numerator multiply by numerator, denominator multiply by denominator. Minus 2 by 15. Now minus minus plus. So 1 by 10 equals to minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6. So this is a fraction. Now you have to take the LCM of these denominators. Denominators here 15, 10, 5 and 6. So I have write the values and I have also find the LCM. 2 5 the 10, 2 3 the 6. Now table of 3 is used here. 3 5 the 15 and 3 1 the 3. Now table of 5 will be used here. So 5 1 the 5. Now LCM is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So 2 3 the 6, 6 5 the 30. So 30 will be the LCM here. You can write here multiply by LCM 30 on both sides we get. So you have to write here 30 multiply by minus 2 by 15, 30 multiply by 1 by 10, minus 1 by 5 multiply by 30, each term multiply by LCM 30. 6 5 the 30, 5 6 the 30, 10 3 the 30, 15 2 the 30. Now 2 multiply by minus 2, 3 multiply by 1, minus 1 multiply by 6 and 1 multiply by 5. So minus 4 plus 3 equals to minus 6 plus 5. So plus minus minus, minus 1, biggest number having the sign of minus, so you have to put minus. Now check that. After checking or after putting the value of x, you have to get the result. Left hand side equals to right hand side. So you can write the answer statement here, since that is the proper answer statement. X equals to minus 1 by 5 makes the original statement original I missed here, original statement true. So solution is correct. Hence the solution set is equals to or minus 1 by 5. You can just write is, and you can don't write here the symbol of equality, you just write is. Now we will do second parts. This is also in the form of fraction, so you have to take the LCM of 3 and 2, so it becomes 6. So you have to write the statement here, multiply by LCM 6 we get on both sides we get. So procedure is same here, x minus 3 by 3 minus 6 multiply by x minus 2 by 2 and 6 multiply by minus 1. So 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 2 into x minus 3, 2 multiply by both numbers like this. Now 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6. So two numbers are used here, so you have to put here bracket. 3 into x minus 2 equals to minus 6. So open the bracket, 2 multiply, you have to get 2x minus 6. Outside is minus and you are going to open the bracket, so inside sign will be changed. Minus 3x, so minus minus plus, so 3 to the 6. Now 2x minus 3x minus x, because biggest number having the sign of minus, 6 cancel with 6 because both having the negative sign. So both sides having negative sign, so it will be cancelled here. In other words, you can say that its coefficient is 1, so minus 6 by minus 1, so it will be cancelled. So x equals to 6. Now you have to get the value of x, but now you have to check here. You give heading here, and after checking you come to know that is it solution or not. Put x equals to 6. You can name it as equation number 1. Put in equation number 1. So you have to put 6 in place of x. 6 minus 3 here by 3 here. Minus 6 minus 2 by 2 equals to minus 1. Now 3 by 3 minus 4 by 2 equals to minus 1. 3 cancel with 3 and 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. Minus 2 equals to minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. Biggest number having the sign of minus, so put here minus. Check that. Left hand side equals to right hand side. So you can write the answer statement here, since x equals to 6 makes the original statement true. Therefore the solution is correct. Therefore the solution is correct. So solution set equals to 6. I hope so you have understand this concept of question number 1. First of all, subscribe my channel, like videos and share videos, and also click on bell icon and click on all option ताकि आपको मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट्स मिल सकें. So Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself, and also you have to do preparation for your final exams of 9th class, and also pray for your country. Allah Hafiz.